Assalamu alaikum, this is Dr. Hasna, your motivational educational counselor for life, guys, and your best mentor ever. And today I'm going to be telling you about these 3 common mistakes that I can't even tell you are so preventable, and you are making them while going into an exam. Yes, exams are crazy stressful, right? And you make these 3 mistakes and make it even worse. But what are these 3 mistakes? Let's talk about them. Number 1, you're not getting enough sleeps. Wow. How do I stress the importance of sleep? You want to get to a new page? You want to move on from a bad day? What do? You sleep, and when you wake up, you all of a sudden feel like, okay, life is worth living again. At least 4 hours for most of the people, but 6 hours sleep should be there. Even if it's 1 hour sleep, just take some sleep before your exam, because if you don't, I promise you, you are going to go blank. And at the moment, I know you're thinking of that time you went blank because you didn't get sleep. Yeah. The second mistake that you're making before going to an exam is time management. During the exam, you have a specific time to complete your MCQs and SEQs or whatever your exam is. Listen to me. Before you go into the exam, make sure you know how many MCQs are coming, how much time there is. Even if you don't do it before the exam, during the exam, first calculate your time. Once you've calculated the time, and try to finish within the time limit, because that also makes it very easy for you. Sometimes what happens is you leave so many questions out, and then there's not enough time, and you stress out and you mess up questions that you even knew so well. So don't do that. Let's move to the third mistake you're making: saturating yourself with knowledge. And this happens when you've studied the night before, and then you come in just before the exam, you're studying. Honey, leave those books in the morning of the exam. Leave them at 12 a.m. or leave them at 2 a.m. Just like when you sleep, it's a new day. You studied, you did your best. Maximum, what I'd say is, while you're on the way to the exam center, yes, take out your books and just go through the things that you feel like are still weak. But when you get to the exam center, I want you to relax, say hi to your friends, be like, aapki tayari kaisi? Okay, don't do that. That's gonna be a little stressful. Rather just be like, what's up? Okay, whatever you wanna do. And I try to remind yourself what you're gonna do after the exam, so your stress levels remain low. So if you saturate yourself with knowledge, your stress is gonna go high. But if you're not saturating yourself, you're taking it easy before the exam, you're not saturating yourself, that really will reduce the stress. And in that way, you can easily give the exam. You can literally nail the exam. That's why you're probably like, the chill people, how do they top? Like, I'm the one who's stressed all the time. I'm the one who's like studying like crazy, but I never top. That, honey, is because you're not taking it easy. And only the people that take it easy usually get the best marks in their exams. So thank you so much for watching. And I hope you plan to not make these mistakes in the next time. But if you still continue doing them, your loss.